Hello, in front of me I've got Vivo Y76. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, scroll down and enter security. Go to screen lock, confirm, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of passwords: non-swipe pattern, PIN and password. Let's start with the top of the list, so let's select none. Now swipe, PIN, complex password, and in the end pattern. When it's done, we can go to fingerprint and now start inputting. Fingerprint sensor is right here. Simply tap it multiple times and each time adjust fingerprint position. And the last method to unlock the phone is face unlock. Let's enter it, and now simply scan your face in this area. Now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.